is Tina Xiong from MBXW. Our company specializes in producing modular plugs with more than 35 years. EXW is well known in the network accessories field and enjoy the good reputation in the world. So are you interested in learning how a high-quality modular plug is created? Here I am in our stamping workshop, and this is the first step of modular plug production. We make the plug contact blade with good quality copper, and our blades with 2 or 3 prongs used for both solid and stranded cable. We have 4 high-speed precision stamping machines running at 600 a minute. The design of our pen has won many patents, and the workshop is equipped with 2.5D profile projector that can test 100 dimensions per minute. Our molds are all uniquely custom designed and meticulously processed. Now I'm in our electroplating workshop. After stamping, we make the gold plating for the plug contact blade. We have 4 production lines for the plating. Different gold thicknesses are available. To make sure the gold thickness, we have 2 sets X-ray machines for inspection. Since we have electrical gold plating, we have environmental project, just purify the wastewater first and then discharge. We have 24-hour camera to monitor the wastewater discharge. We are the #1 for the environmental enterprise in Ningbo area. At present, I am in our plastic injection workshop. We use imported PC material, which is particularly great in terms of transparency, elasticity, and bending coefficient. We have over 20 sets injection machines, and the capacity is over 1 million per day. The molds are designed, processed, and produced by the company to meet customer-specific requirements. Welcome the ODM OEM case. Here I am in our insertion workshop. This is the last step for the modular plug. We have more than 25 sets high-speed auto insertion machines to meet all the needs of customization. The most important is that each machine is installed with the AOI system to inspect the quality of each plug, so we could provide the high-quality plug with a sufficient capacity and flexible lead time. Our capacity for modular plug is over 30 million pieces per month. With the automatic packaging machines, different packages are all available. Each machine in our modular plug production has been installed with a data acquisition system to allow the operators to grasp the production site in the first instance and control it in a timely manner. In addition, our modular plugs are equipped with a series of specialized reliability tests. Many reliability tests are enough to guarantee the quality of our modular plugs. Each gold blade and PC housing are made with dedication, and each plug is inspected with AOI system, so a high-quality modular plug is born. After watching my video, I bet you all think a tiny plug is much more complex than you imagine, right? We specialize in producing modular plugs more than 35 years, has accumulated a wealth of experience. With an independent R&D team and precision equipment, maintaining high quality has always been our steadfast commitment. If you want to learn more, follow us. See you